Hi friends! So today I'm going to be doing this very sparkly blushy makeup look. If you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. Alrighty, so my eyebrows are kind of filled in, kind of messy, kind of horrible looking, but whatever, I'll fix them more towards the end. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by priming the eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Just tapping that all with my finger. For this look today, I'm going to be using one of the new Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes. This is Rosé in the Air. Very cute. And I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here to kind of set my eyes. Just on a big fluffy brush, patting that on. And now I'm going to go ahead and press this shade right here all over my eyelid. Just really packing it on there. And now I'm going to dip a fluffy blending brush into some of that shade and just softly buff out the edges. Now I'm going to take this shade right here and pack it more into my crease. And lightly blending it out. For the glitter, I'm going to go ahead and take some of the NYX glitter primer, just put some of that on the back of my hand. Taking a small brush from Wet n Wild and patting that all over my eyelid. While the glue is still tacky, I'm going to take some of my glitter shadow and just really pack it onto the lid. For glitter, I'm using the Ulta brand glitter eyeshadow in Fairy Princess. Very pretty and sparkly, nice light pink. And just blending that out a little bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and use a fluffy brush to just dust away the fallout. For mascara, Tarte Maneater. This is like the only mascara that actually works for my lashes. Like, I love it. And to start with the face, I'm going to go ahead and use the L'Oreal Lumi Glow Drops in Daybreak. And I'm just going to spread a little of this all over my whole face. Now I'm going to use some Smashbox Primer Water. Got a new one. Alrighty, and I don't really want to wear foundation with this look. I want it to be very soft and pretty. So all I'm going to do is spot conceal really with the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in Light. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and take some of the Wet n Wild, this is the Hello Halo highlighter, and I'm using Hello Goodbye. Just popping some of that on the top of my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, anywhere I want to be a little more glowy. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the parts of my face that I didn't use the liquid highlight on, and this is with a little bit of the Cover FX powder in Light. Okay, so now we're going to get really, really blushy because I love blush. And I'm using Wisteria from Becca. And now I'm going to dust some of Prismatic Amethyst from Becca all over everywhere. It adds such a soft sheen. It's just so pretty. I love it. Makes you look so soft and glowy and just lovely. And now I want a little bit more of a glittery highlight, so I'm using the LA Girl highlighter in 120 watt. This is the white one. Just popping that right on the tops of my cheekbones, and I want some of it under my eyes because it makes your cheeks have a slightly more rounded look, which makes you look more cutesy cutesy. Blend that out a little. And now I'm going to set the face with some of the Smashbox Primer Water. It works for setting too. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to take this shade right here and buff it out under the whole thing. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to finish off the brows using the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer in medium brown. Just because my eyebrows look so fluffy and I love it. And for my lips, I'm going to be super freaking bougie and use the Marc Jacobs lipstick in Sonic Truth. Just applying some of that and softly tapping it out. Topping it off with the clear Buxom gloss in Dominique. Alrighty, and that is it for this look. If you liked this video, then like this video and comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.